Getting a team app to actually work for everyone is a lot more stressful than you might think. Most of us are just over the constant switching between apps to find a schedule or message a friend at work. This is the big reason Pebb is our focus today. It's a comprehensive, all-in-one employee app with shared space built to keep everyone, from the office staff to the people on the road, totally connected. With a diverse customer base ranging from restaurants and hotels to manufacturers with multiple branches, Pebb is trusted by over 10,000 teams worldwide.
The true potential of Pebb is that it has all the operation features a business needs to manage and communicate with staff, from shifts to time clocks and updates.
With clear spaces, instant chat, and simple shift management, it feels much more natural. Let's look at Pebb and see how your team can start using it. Upon launching the platform, the primary takeaway is the remarkably streamlined and user-friendly interface. The architecture ensures that new users can navigate the system immediately without a steep learning curve.
Pebb also offers a desktop version that you can download and use on your computer. Managers can use the larger screen for a better view when managing employee shifts and updates.
The bottom navigation bar serves as the primary control center, housing essential modules like Spaces, Chat, People, Activity, and Profile. At the top of the dashboard, there is an option for switching space, which makes it easy to move between different features within the same space. Adjacent to this, a robust search engine offers the flexibility to scan the entire company directory or filter results by specific workspaces. Moving on, we need to look at the main part of the site, which is called Spaces.
You can create spaces for different teams and branches. If your business has 5 branches, you can create 5 different spaces for each and manage them from one place.
To make a new one, just click the Switch button and press Create. We think the steps are very easy to follow. You pick a name, write a short note, and add a nice picture to make it look good. Then you choose what kind of space it is, like one for everyone, a small group, one team, or a different office. Keeping things private is easy too, since you can make it public, private, or hidden so only certain people see it.
There are newsfeed, shift scheduling, clock-in, digital forms, wiki, events, tasks, files, photos, and links as well.
Permissions for each feature can be controlled individually. It's great because you can make many spaces to stay organized. After you get into a space, there are many tools that help you get your work done. The feed is a favorite because it acts like a social wall for your office. Workers can make posts, tell others what's happening, and talk to each other. You can put up files, ask questions with polls, or set posts to go out later. If you want to share an update without making everyone's phone ring, you can choose to make a quiet post. When your team works specific hours, the shifts and clock-in tools make things very easy. The Shift page shows a big calendar where you can plan out the whole month's schedule. Once you finish the plan, you can message everyone at once. Then the Clock-in tool lets workers record their time right in the app. As the boss, you can see how long people work and when they take breaks, which makes paying everyone much faster. Restaurants or retailers with few branches can use Pebb to manage their staff's shifts, clock-ins, and time off easily. Pebb also helps you keep all your important papers and notes in one place. There's a forms page for reports and a wiki that holds all the company info. Use forms to get details from your team and the wiki to keep training books and safety rules. If you have a meeting or a party, the events page helps you track them with a calendar or a list. To get work done, the tasks page lets you give jobs to people and see if they finish them on time. For your pictures and papers, the files and photos sections stay very organized. You can make albums for projects and keep blueprints or files where people can find them easily. We also like the links page a lot. It holds buttons for Google, SAP, and Zoom. By putting these links inside Pebb, you save time because nobody has to keep switching between different apps all day. While all those organizing features are great, sometimes you just have to talk things out, and that's exactly what the Chat tab is for. In our experience, it's a super solid way to keep everyone on the team on the same page throughout the workday. You can easily message someone privately for a quick check-in or get a group thread going for a project or a social hang. It definitely feels current, giving you the ability to share files or throw in an emoji or a GIF to keep things from getting too dry. One detail that really stands out is how the mobile app handles everything while you're away from your desk. You can actually hop on a voice or video call right from your phone, which is huge when a text message just isn't going to get the point across. It's going to make working together way smoother for everyone, no matter where they are. When you need to look someone up, just jump into the People section. It's broken down into two main spots, the directory and time off. Think of the directory as your go-to list for checking out team roles or inviting someone new to the platform. It really helps you keep everyone's names and faces straight, which is huge when your office starts getting busy. Then you have the time off area, which takes the headache out of managing schedules. You won't have to dig through your inbox anymore since all the request history is right in front of you. Bosses can handle approvals in one go, and everyone else can submit requests fast. This is very helpful for retail or restaurant industries to manage their employees properly. It just works better having everything localized. Recognizing the global nature of modern business, the system supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. Users can also customize their visual experience by switching between light and dark themes. We found the overall design to be exceptionally logical. It maintains a clean aesthetic that prevents information overload during a busy workday. You really can't handle management well if you aren't looking at the analytics every now and then. It's great to have the software, but you have to make sure people are logging in. Pebb gives us a straightforward look at how the whole company and specific spaces are doing. We can keep an eye on the total count, see who just joined, and check on our active users. I really like the engagement score since it tells us if our posts are actually landing. It helps us see which groups are on fire and where we need to step in. We really feel Pebb is a trusty, clear-cut choice for any office trying to block out all that tech static. Getting started is a breeze, and the team will find it totally natural to navigate daily. If you feel like stopping the endless app cycle and finally getting your people on the same page, we honestly suggest taking a look. Go to the description to grab the link for yourself. Give it a go and let us know what you think down there. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.